front of me is Sony Xperia 1 Mark V, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency contacts on this device. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Safety and Emergency. Then tap on Emergency Contacts and tap on Add Contact. Now click on the one that you wish to add. Following that, do the same to the other ones. In order to remove one of them, select this X next to the chosen one. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. As you can see after that, my emergency contacts were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!